If your Play Store on Google TV keeps saying can't connect or just refuses to load, here are the best fixes that actually work. Solution 1. Check your internet. The can't connect error almost always means bad Wi-Fi. So, you can check that by opening other apps. For example, open YouTube. If YouTube won't load, your network is the problem. Try changing your Wi-Fi network or connect to internet in that case. If that doesn't work, try the other solutions. Solution 2. Restart Google TV and router. Most of the time, the issue is temporary. Restart your Google TV by powering it off completely. Then, plug it back on. Meanwhile, unplug your Wi-Fi router for 30 seconds. Wait a bit and plug it back in and reconnect. This quick reset often fixes the issue. So, go check it. Solution 3. Set automatic date and time. So, the biggest reason of this problem is sometimes the configuration glitch your TV faces when the device date and time is not accurate. To fix it, you can go to your home screen. Navigate to the settings icon in the top corner. Then open it. Now, scroll down to Device Preferences. From here, open Date and Time. Open Automatic Date and Time. Now, select the Use Network Provided Time option. If it's already selected, turn it off and then turn it back on. Your Play Store should now connect without errors. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot for watching!